So when you get here, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure in the upper right hand corner that you have the correct boxes checked. So you'll make sure that you have checked that you have your values shown and you're going to switch your current to conventional current. And so then from there you can go over to the left hand side and you can drag on a battery. You just click and drag it on. When you add a wire, you'll see some little lines around the circle, and when it's not connected, it's red. When it is connected correctly, it will turn black, and so that indicates that you have the wire connected as needed. If you look on the bulb, there's two different circles. You'll connect one wire to the bottom circle, and then your other wire will be connected to the side. So you'll only have one wire connecting in each of those circles, and then you can complete your circuit. And when you do that, once it's completed and working, you'll get the current to be going around and the bulb should light up. And so you'll have that set up like that. You can see the current there that's moving, you can see the resistance, and you can see the voltage. Then if you click on the corner, you can then click on the scissors there, and when you click on the scissors, it disconnects the wire. And so you can move that wire. Oh, not like that. You can click it and move it over, just get it out of the way. You can use it later if you want. And you'll replace it with an ammeter. The ammeter is on the right hand side, and you drag it in and click it like a wire. And what it does is it allows the current to run through it, and it shows you that current measurement. To change the resistance on your bulb, you'll click on it and a slide bar will come up, and you can slide the resistance up and back. As you do that, you should see the current changing, and you'll see the brightness changing. So the lines, the yellow lines represent the brightness of the bulb. If you go all the way down to 0 ohms, you're shorting out, and it'll show up that the battery's on fire. So you can make those, you can either slide it using the slider or use the arrows there. And you can get the different measurements. And you can clear it. And the next part, you have 2 bulbs on there, and you have to be careful when you're connecting it. So from here, you'll get it connected. That one is connected, that wire is connected to the bottom of that bulb that's on the left there. So the other wires are going on. You want to make sure that you get an ammeter in there to be able to measure the current. And this one you'll connect from the side of one bulb to the bottom of the next. And then you'll go from the side out. So if you're connecting 2 bulbs together, you'll go side to bottom, and however many bulbs you would have there. And then you can finish up your circuit. And again, you get your current that's moving through. It'll show that I hadn't clicked some of the same things. When you refresh the page, you'll need to redo the box. And then you can bring out the voltmeter. And in order to use that, you'll take and you'll put the pins on either side of the bulb that you want to measure the voltage on. So if you go across all of them, you have 9 volts. If you go across one of them, in this one you have 4.5 volts. You saw that for both of them. If you want to change the resistance on the bulb, just click it, and it asks that you change it to 20. So you can see that the voltage there shifts to 6 volts. You still have 9 volts if you go across both. And this one drops to 3 volts. And you can see that the current has also shifted as you do that. So for any of them, as you're changing and doing, you can follow the path and do what you need to do.